Hello everybody, welcome to Yoga by Madi. We will start our first pose with downward facing dog. Start this pose by beginning on your hands and knees. Align your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Spread your fingers wide and press firmly through your palms and knuckles. Exhale as you tuck your toes and lift your knees off the floor. Press the floor away from you as you lift through your pelvis. Keep your neck relaxed. Make sure you engage your legs firmly during this pose. Keep breathing. Let's stay here for a couple of moments. Just breathe. You're doing great. When you're ready, let's go to the next pose. Let's stand up and let's stay with your feet wide as the mat and put your hands on your hips. Bend forward and place your hands on the mat. Relax your neck, keep your legs engaged. Listen to your body and enjoy the stretch of your legs and spine. If you can't make your legs straight, it's okay to have your knees slightly bent. You're doing great. Just breathe. When you're ready, let's come out of the pose. Let's turn around and face the wall. Reach your hands towards the wall and place your hands on the wall. Keep the legs straight and engaged. Make sure your back is straight parallel to the floor and engage your tummy. Press your hands onto the wall and feel the stretch of the back of your legs and your upper back. Keep breathing. Some more breaths. And when you're ready, let's come out of the pose. The next is going to be a tricky one. Standing facing the wall, have your feet wide as the mat. Bend forwards and place your hands onto the floor. Keep your trunk down and keep your hands down and walk towards the wall until the back of your head and your upper back is reaching the wall. Keep your head still. Take your hands up facing the wall. Keep breathing. Press your front thighs away from the wall. When you're ready, take your hands down and walk backwards without twisting the back. For the next pose, we will lie down onto the mat and just grab a belt. Let's put our feet against the wall and bring your left knee next to your chest while placing the belt on your foot. Keep the right leg straight against the wall. Now straighten your left leg straight towards the ceiling. Keep pushing your right leg into the wall. Make sure your arms are straight. Keep your legs strong and engaged. Suck your tummy in and breathe. When you're ready, switch sides. Let's place the belt onto the right leg. And let's stay here for a couple of moments. Enjoy the stretch. Now for the next pose, we'll repeat same movements as before, and we will start with the left leg stretching towards the ceiling. Keep the arms straight on the belt. We will start slowing to lift the head and the shoulder towards the left leg and try to bring the left leg as much as possible towards the head. Curve slightly the upper back while you do the lifting. Make sure your core is engaged and your right leg heel is pressing against the wall. Keep your elbows open. It's important to keep them open and not straight. You're doing great. When you're ready, let's switch sides. Keep your elbows open while you pull the belt towards your chest. You're doing great. Great job. Now for the last pose of this session, let's come sit sideways against the wall and swing your legs up on the wall while you're laying on your back. This pose will give our heart a rest by slowing down our heart rate and also relieves tensions from the legs. Enjoy and relax in this pose as long as you need, and just let go to all your worries of the day. Thank you for doing today's session by Yoga Madi.